Hello, another advantage of stretch ceilings is their ability to enhance interior design. With a wide range of colors, finishes, and textures available, they can contribute to the aesthetic appeal of a space. They can create unique visual effects, such as glossy or matte surfaces, translucent or opaque materials, or even printed designs. In terms of installation, stretch ceilings are relatively quick and non-invasive compared to traditional ceiling systems. They can be installed without the need for major construction work, minimizing disruption to the existing structure. This makes them a popular choice for renovation projects or spaces where access to the ceiling is limited. In summary, stretch ceilings are a modern and versatile solution for creating attractive, functional, and customizable ceilings. They offer a range of benefits, including a seamless finish, excellent acoustic performance, durability, and design flexibility. Whether used in residential or commercial settings, stretch ceilings can transform the look and feel of a space while providing practical advantages. Thank you.